Wanted to make a quick video of my easy build sluice. It's a mini sluice for use in the basement or as a stream sluice. Basically it's a coroplast sign. Coroplast is a material you can get at any print shop. Next thing you want to do is add your vortex matting, is what I chose to use. You can, any number of things you could do. You could use a carpet and some kind of grid over it, but I really like the vortex matting. Requires a higher water flow and also a steeper attitude so that you can clear the light sands quite rapidly and the heavies fall right out. One issue I came up with initially was the ridge here created like a rooster tail as the water went across it. Was going to use the bottom of the sluice as the anyways, I was going to use the bottom of the sluice as a slick plate, and realized with that rooster tail that I was creating that I needed to come up with another means of doing that, so I used the same material, cut away the material so I had an overlap, and then that can just slide right up into the sluice and overlap the material a lot nicer and get rid of that rooster tail. Then I use these wire bows across them to hold the sides up on the sluice. If you end up with a spot like I had, the vortex matting was puckering right about in this area here on the sluice, so you can just take this out and put it in at an angle which shortens it and pulls in the sides a little bit better. Pretty simple concept, pretty simple function. I use a storage tub with a bucket in it. The bucket catches the material, allows the water to go back in to the tub here, hits the pump pumps the water up. The T-piece I made here has slots cut in it, done on my table saw. Pretty simple. Measure, cut, glue together, cut your slot, and you're done. So I'm going to run a little bit of material here so y'all can see how it works. Powered by a battery underneath. There goes my water flow. Nice smooth transition across it. Add your material. Everything goes down the sluice into the catch pail. You're left with supercons in the sluice, which you can then pan out and get the fine gold and stuff out of it, and it'll keep you going through the winter months, because this was basically flood sands that I can attain anytime during the year, even when it's frozen out. So thank you for watching the video. Hope it's helpful. If you have any questions, please post.